Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano X. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Next, you'll need to download and install the Ledger Live application on your desktop. This software is essential for managing your crypto assets and updating your device's firmware. Make sure you're downloading it from the official Ledger website to ensure security. We'll walk through each step together. Now, let's initialize your Ledger Nano X. On your device screen, select Setup as New Device. You'll then be prompted to create a strong PIN code, which can be 4 to 8 digits long. Remember this PIN, as it's crucial for accessing your device. The most critical step is writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like your crypto needs protection, your home deserves a smart clean. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, keeping your space spotless while you manage your digital assets. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. After writing down your recovery phrase, the device will ask you to confirm it by selecting words in order. This ensures you've recorded it correctly. Once confirmed, open the Ledger Live application on your computer. Connect your Nano X, and Ledger Live will guide you through the final steps, including checking the authenticity of your device. This process ensures your device is genuine and ready for use. With your device set up, you can now install the cryptocurrency applications you need, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, directly through Ledger Live. Once installed, you can add accounts for these cryptocurrencies within the application. This allows you to view your balances and manage transactions. Your Ledger Nano X provides the secure environment for sending and receiving your crypto assets, keeping your private keys offline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.